Joe Montgomery here from educationlawyers.com. I'm an education attorney based in Philadelphia, and with the help of my team of attorneys, advocates, and paralegals, the attorneys at Montgomery Law have secured millions of dollars in educational benefits for our clients. Why do I tell you this? Not to brag, but to let you know that it's my intention to use our experience and expertise to make your life better during these uncertain times. We want to share with you everything we know about education law that can help you through the COVID-19 education pandemic. We know your children are out of school. We know you're struggling. We know that schools are struggling to provide services for students, especially students with disabilities. So we've put together an exclusive webinar designed to assist parents in these crazy and tough times. The webinar is free, but limited to the first 100 people to sign up. Why are we limiting the number of people that can register? Simply so that you have time to ask us your own questions. We want this to be an interactive forum, an open question and answer opportunity to help parents understand their rights in these impossible times. Join us on April 27th at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to learn how to navigate the new face of education. We have a panel of attorneys, advocates, and educational service providers that will be able to flip the light switch during these dark and confusing times. The topics that we will be covering are how parents and school districts can work together effectively, first and foremost, how to secure technology that you may not be able to afford, your rights during these tough, unprecedented times, and your child's rights during these tough, unprecedented times, how to supervise your child when you yourself are working from home, how to secure teleservices, remote services such as speech or behavioral services, how to secure tele-evaluations. Your child may be due for an evaluation or they may be in need of an initial evaluation for an IEP, and we'll help you understand that. Our predictions on the future of cyber education, how to secure compensatory education for missed time and services, what to do if your student is graduating or aging out of school during quarantine, the status of pending and new due process hearings, the use of video conferencing for live testimony and virtual hearings, and ultimately, the entire changing FAPE standards during the pandemic. Free and appropriate public education has taken on a new meaning, and during this webinar, we are going to help you understand what that meaning is. And then we are going to reserve time for an open forum for your own questions, because we're sure that you have your own issues and we want to help you address them. Your student may still be entitled to educational benefits for this time away from school. Again, what do we say? This is time away, not time off from school. Your child should still be learning every day. If your child is missing services during these times, they may be entitled to compensatory education when we get to the other side of this virus. There are a lot of unknowns during this COVID-19 pandemic, but one thing that remains the truth is that the more you know, the better off you will be. The more you know about what rights your child is entitled to educationally, the more that your child will receive. And that's the bottom line. It always has been and it always will. It's the informed parents that get the most for their children. And again, we want to share our experience and our expertise with you in an exclusive educationlawyers.com webinar so that you, the parent, can get everything that your child is entitled to during these impossible times. One last time, you can sign up at educationlawyers.com/COVID or click the link below. But either way, I look forward to seeing you on April 27th at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time for an educationlawyers.com exclusive webinar. See you then.